Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts from your LearnWorlds account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export your contact list in LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common for you to switch over to a different service provider, but you want to make sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to download your contacts, here on the left side, you're going to click on users. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the users you have inside of LearnWorlds. So you can see I just have these two. However, to export this list, here on the top right, you're going to click on Export Users Report. Okay, next you get to choose, do you want a CSV file or XLS? For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose CSV. All right, quick second later, it automatically downloads. So let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is my contact list that's downloaded. You can see it's separated by ID, username. Actually, you can see they have a lot of different information. So see offerings, user groups. So all of this data would be included. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contact list from LearnWorlds, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.